Hi everyone, want to spice and fun in your chai AI chats? Here's how to get a juicy, entertaining convos every time. Let's get started. Start by choosing a characters with a flirty, dramatic, or roleplay focused tags. These bots are designed to bring the hit. Then, you can search the keywords like romantic, bold, or fun. Then, use a bold prompts. Don't just say hi. Try, let's pretend we're exes who still have feelings, or you're a celebrity, I'm your secret crush, and many more. Just start with a strong and emotional that the AI will match your vibe. And then steer up with a drama or tension. If you want a juicy, you can just add jealousy, rivalry, or secrets. Drama makes convos unpredictable and exciting. And the bonus tip, create your own custom bot. You can add a spicy backstory, intense personality, and fun quirks. Chat AI respond better with strong personalities. And try these tips and watch your convos get away more fun and juicy. Like and drop the best prompt in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching.